you guys? Meet you back in a couple with another video. And if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any videos. For my new subscribers, hey bitch channel. And for my return subscribers, welcome back to my channel. And if you guys haven't done so already, follow me on Instagram at @meekyou_. And if you guys haven't done so already, turn on that post notification bell so you guys won't miss out on any videos that I post. Now, in this video, I will be showing you guys nail kit that I got from off Amazon. It was only like $30. So this is basically like an unboxing video on the nail kit that I got from Amazon, so you guys can see. Did not come with the nail kit. I literally bought these separate, and these was only like what, $2? $2 I think for 10 of them, but I gave 2 to my sister, so I bought these separate, and these just, you know, nail glue. And these, the tips that they got, it is 500 pieces. And then I have the acrylic powder. This the clear one. The gel. The white acrylic powder. And the pink acrylic powder. And this right here, this for like if your nails long and you don't want them that long, you just use it to cut your nails down. This all this is. They gave me some rhinestones. And this is to basically like clean the acrylic and stuff off your nails. This is like a lower stamp. I don't think I'm gonna use this. I don't think I'm gonna use this, but it's like a little stamp. Some beads. The color that they gave me. And this is just the buffer. They go like this. He gave me this to put in here in order to get the, you know, gel. This is nail glue that came in a box. The top coat, the base coat. And these are the like the tools or utensils, whatever you want. Oh no, they're not utensils because utensils are forks.
Stupid.
Tools that they use to pick up the beads or the rhinestones or whatever. So these come in handy because by you doing it with your hand, you're gonna be all day. But because you got these,
We don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
a nail filer. We're gonna need one of these. And these are another thing to pick up the rhinestones and the beads and stuff. And these are the brushes, so I can dip it inside the gel and stuff. So, oh yeah, and they gave me this so I can measure out how long I want my nails or whatever. So I'm really glad they gave me this, but at the same time, I don't even think I'm going to use it. So, I mean, it'll come in handy sooner than later, but for right now, I don't think I'm going to use it because, like, I know how long and how short I want my nails. So I feel like just, I don't know, I'm going to just save it. You never know, you feel me? But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. This is basically everything that was in this little box. It come with a lot of stuff. So this stuff, it was only what? $30. So if you guys want to go check them out on Amazon, you can. And if you guys want to go check them out on Amazon, you can. It was only literally $30. That's not really bad for, you know, everything they had gave me. And stay tuned for the next video. I will be showing you guys, I'll be showing you how I do my own nails using what they gave me. Yeah, this is everything that they have given me in order to start your nail business, or you know, just want to start doing your own nails. This is everything, and I feel like this is a cool starter kit. So if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Again, follow me on Instagram at @meekyou_. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video because I will be, like I said, doing my own nails using this nail kit that I got from Amazon. And like I said, if you ain't subscribed to my channel, what you doing? So yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Okay, bye.